Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to play with a little bit of fire. We are going to create some singed fabric flowers on these wooden blocks with this amazing scrapbook paper. So first I grabbed some wooden blocks and traced it onto my scrapbook paper so that I cut it to size, and then we are just going to use some Mod Podge and just adhere the paper to it. This paper I can find at Hobby Lobby, and it comes in lots of different colors, and it is truly one of my favorite papers to decorate with just because I love the farmhouse look of it that has the wood texture to it. Once you have your paper Mod Podged on and it is dry, you can take some 120 grit sandpaper and just at a 45-degree angle just sand off any overhang that the paper may have. Next, we're going to take this fabric. It's kind of a silk, polyester type, no cotton in it, and we're going to cut out circles. This is what we are going to use to create our flowers. I did varying size of circles, some large, some small, as you can tell, and in lots of different colors. Now you can see that I have some wooden dowel rods, and I kind of cut them to size on my wood pieces. I wanted them to go about halfway up. And then you're going to take some twine and you're going to start with some glue at the bottom and just twist the twine around the dowel rod, and this is going to create the stem of our flowers. Once you have your twine wrapped around your dowel rods, you're going to glue them on. I do not glue them on perfectly straight. No flower grows perfectly straight, and so I put them on at a little bit of an angle. Now you're going to want to take a tea light or a lighter of some sort. I'm showing you both ways in here, and you're simply going to very carefully singe the edges of your fabric. Be very careful, as these can get very hot and they can burn very quickly, so this is a project that you probably don't want to do with children. Just singe the edges a little bit, and it's going to make the fabric curl and just give it a little bit more dimension and texture. Then to create the flowers, I just layered them upon each other and just hot glued them all together and then put them on top of the wooden sticks that I wrapped in twine to create the look of the flower. I did also have some rhinestones that I put in the middle just to embellish for the middle of the flower. Some of these I did cut a little bit smaller and singed a little bit more just to create the ruffled layer look of the flowers. Then I took some of the same green material and cut out little ovals, and again singed the edges of those, being very careful not to burn yourself, and made leaves that we could attach to each side of the stem. This is truly one of my favorite projects. It looks amazing and just really dresses up simple wood blocks. If you liked this DIY and like to learn more about home decorating, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you for watching.